Okay guys, let me show you how to install Docker on your Windows PC. It's a very easy and straightforward process, but make sure to always download from the official website to avoid viruses and other kinds of stuff. So let's go to the Docker official website. I have a link in the description below, and click Docker Desktop. Over here click Download Docker for Desktop and choose your operating system. And save it on your desktop, for example, and wait for the download to finish over here. After the download is finished, you can just click here in the downloaded here and click Docker Desktop Installer Exe, or from your desktop. Make sure to use this WSL tool, and you can add a shortcut to your desktop if you want, and when you are ready just hit OK. And after the installation is complete, we can safely click this close and restart so we can use the application. After we restarted our PC, this window will pop up, so you can just click accept. And you can see on the left side, after this window will pop up, you can see that Windows Subsystem for Linux must be updated to the latest version to proceed. So we can update by running this command over here. And it says press any key to install Windows Subsystem for Linux, so we'll press enter and click yes, and it will now download Windows Subsystem for Linux. And after the installation, just press any key, for example enter, to exit. We can verify the installation by opening command prompt or PowerShell and type in over here Docker version, and it will say Docker version and version over here. And we now know that the Docker is successfully installed. We can close this, and in the windows that you got here, you can add your email address and so on and so on. I'll just keep this. And now it says that your version is too old. Run the command to update. We done this, so we just need to restart the Docker. And after a few moments you can see that now we have our Docker working just fine. And this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you out. If it is, drop some comments below, and see you in some other video.